If you've been assigned as an observer in CIBME, here's what the role looks like day to day, where your work shows up and what each step asks of you. A few words first. An observation is one full cycle of work about one person. A process is the template behind it, the ordered list of steps. A step is a single action. Record a video, fill out a form, sign, or mark it done. You're the observer, carrying out the observation. The observee is the person being observed. A viewer follows along without contributing. One note: your account manager may have customized this language. Observer and observee might read as coach and teacher, and observation as coaching cycle. The ideas are the same, whatever your screen says. Here's the idea that makes everything else make sense. Everywhere else in CIBME, the platform tracks your own activity. As an observer, that flips. You do the work, recording, completing forms, signing, but every piece of resulting data follows the observee. The record being built is about them, not you. You don't set anything up. Processes are built and assigned elsewhere, and once you're paired with an observee, the process appears on your dashboard automatically. If one you expected isn't there, you haven't been assigned to it yet. You may also see co-observers sharing the role with you, and a viewer who follows a cycle without contributing. This is your dashboard. Each process is a block. Observes down the left, steps across the top, a dot where they meet. Each dot says two things. The symbol tells you whose step it is, and the color tells you where it stands. Not started, in progress, waiting, done late, or done. If you observe a lot of people, the filter bar narrows the grid by people, process, step status, or date range. Search finds anyone by name. And observee cards is your own focus list. The steps you picked, grouped per observee. Everything starts with a click on a dot. Open takes you to the steps work screen. Add card sends it to your observee cards, which also show in the mobile app. Clicking a name does something different. It opens the observer tracker. That person's full process, top to bottom. A step is a single action, and you'll meet 4 patterns. Collect evidence, the default. Fill out a form. Sign, never on the same step as evidence. Or simply mark it done. And before any of that, the eye icon next to the step name holds the full instructions. Easy to miss, and usually the best place to start. When a step asks for evidence, the buttons on the left are your options: video, audio, notes, artifacts. Once you add one, it appears in the panel with a green plus to add more. When a step attaches a form, fill it in, then submit form, and done. Sometimes that's the whole task. But if you see the green plus, you can add evidence before marking it done. Some steps ask for nothing beyond confirmation. You click done, and it's complete. And some ask for your signature instead of evidence. When you and the observee both sign, the process decides who goes first. Every step ends with done, and the button flips to undone in case you need to reopen it. Finish late, and it shows as done late. Still complete. Reopening asks for a short note, and a question mark appears in the undone column, so anyone can read why. A few things that come up. If a process is missing, you haven't been assigned to it yet. If you can't act on a step, look at the dot. Waiting means it's someone else's move. If the names don't match yours, your account renamed them. Help articles use the defaults. And if you observe a lot of people, lean on the filter bar and observee cards. The short version: you do the work, but the data follows the observee. Clicking a name opens the observer tracker. A step asks for evidence or a signature, never both. Undone reopens a step, and the question mark holds a reason. An add card builds your focus list. All of it lives on one screen, your observations dashboard. One thing to take away: the observer does the work. The data follows the observee. Everything on the dashboard exists to make that record complete and worth trusting. Keep growing. We'll help with the rest.